for today's video, guys. I want to show you my fashion for today. Ayan, guys, my dress for today, guys. Ayan, I really love the color, guys. Ayan, oh. It's a maroon color. And look, guys, my hair color, guys, that's very nice. Ayan, guys, so I color my hair yesterday, guys. And look, ayan, look, guys, the color, I really love it. I combine, guys, ash blend and light brown color, and this is the result, guys. Look, guys, the color of my hair is very nice. I really love it. Ayan, my hair, guys, is so long na siya, guys, and it's curly hair. And look, guys, so I really love the color, guys. It's a light ash blonde or a light brown. I really love it. It can makes me, guys, it can makes me more beautiful, and it can lighten my skin, guys. It can, look, guys, I really love the color. Ayan. Para siyang light brown, guys, no? Ayan, para siyang light brown, guys. I really love it. And I have a high heels here, guys. Look, I'm ready to go na, guys. I'm ready to rampa. Ayan, suot na natin siya, guys. So, ayan, ito yung aking dress for today. Ayan, at sa maroon color, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Kasi, guys, I'm going to, ayan, meron akong party pupuntahan, guys. So, this is my outfit. Look, guys, ayan. Maroon color. I really love it. Look, guys, ayan. This is my dress for today. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda niya. And I need to comb my hair. I need to style my hair, guys, later. Ayan, later I will style my hair. I will make like this, guys. Ikot-ikot lang yung aking hair. Just lang, and then lalagyan ko siya ng and I will put a hairpin here, like this. Like this, guys. Ayan, para akong naglukdo ng Ayan, guys, ayan. And then I put a design here. Guys. Look. Yan. Ayan. I comb my hair like this, and then I will Ayan, and this is the way I look, guys. Ayan, I really love it. It's very nice. Ayan, my brown maroon color of dress. Ayan, I really love it, guys. I buy this for only 350 pesos. Look, guys. It's very nice. I really love it. Ayan, a maroon color. I really love it, guys. Ayan, I really love it. Pag na pag yung aking fashion for today, my outfit for today, and my high heels. Oh, I'm ready to go na.